Working from home can be fun and great until it gets dull and repetitive. So, what can we do about it? Hi, I'm Bea Benedicto. I'm a content creator, and just like most of y'all, I've been working from home ever since the pandemic started. I know that there are days when it all feels monotonous because you have to do the same mundane tasks over and over again. On some days, it can feel overwhelming due to the faint boundary between work and personal life. And that is what I'm here for. I'll be sharing with you 7 tips on how to make your work from home routine exciting. Here we go. Tip number 1, create your ideal workspace. If you're like me who does not have another spare room at home to turn it into an office, you can pick spots where you can be both comfortable and productive. Once you find that perfect spot, make sure to place everything you need within reach. The usuals are pens, paper, chargers, earphones, and of course the essentials. Coffee tumbler, yep, it's an essential for me. And my trusty ASUS ZenBook 13 OLED laptop that helps me to accomplish all my work stuff and be productive. What I love about this laptop is that it's very thin and light. I can bring it anywhere or wherever I feel like working. Plus, I don't have to think about charging my laptop all the time because it has an all-day battery life. And if ever I need to charge it, it only takes me about 49 minutes to charge it up to 60% of its battery life. One fun fact about it is I can even use a power bank to charge it. Amazing, right? You don't get to do that on any other laptop. Moving around is easy too. I don't have to worry about my internet connection because I can enjoy a faster wireless network, web browsing, and streaming experience with Wi-Fi 6, which is 3 times faster and offers better network stability than Wi-Fi 5. Another tip, as you create your ideal workspace, don't be just limited to one corner. Do as you please and move around if you must. Do what works for you. In my case, since I'm a content creator, I have a designated space for deep work and one for shoots. And that's one of the pros for having a portable laptop with a reliable all-day battery life and Wi-Fi connection. Tip number 2, incorporate time blocking when working. Time blocking is a time management method that divides your day into blocks to help you focus and accomplish important tasks. So for time blocking, I plan my tasks the day before and write it on my planner. Then I use the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule technique that helps me to simplify my to-dos and focus on what truly matters. What I do is I check all the tasks in a day and categorize them between urgent and non-urgent tasks. I focus 80% of my time on the more important tasks and 20% on the remaining ones. Thankfully, my ZenBook 13 OLED is equipped with an Intel 11th Gen core processor that allows me to multitask and maximize my productivity. It has never failed me every time I need to open different apps or software simultaneously, which makes it easier to accomplish the tasks that I need to do within the day. Attending my daily virtual meetings can also go smoothly with my laptop because it already has a built-in ASUS AI noise cancelling feature, which means I don't have to worry about unnecessary noise or distractions. Plus, it also comes free with Microsoft Office 2019, so it's ready for working professionals like me who need it for their daily productivity. Tip number 3, prioritize your health. In our current state, there is nothing more important than your whole well-being. Yes, I am talking about your physical and your mental health. This sounds cliche, but eat healthily. And since we don't go out all that often anymore, a lot of time for workouts. There are a lot of workout videos available on the internet, so choose which one works best for you. And don't forget your sleep hygiene. This is one of the things that we should never take for granted because it affects both our physical and our mental health. I do a lot of things to somehow perfect my sleep hygiene, like sticking to my sleeping schedule, having a relaxing bedtime routine like listening to lo-fi music, meditating, and using a device that won't affect my sleep hygiene. Since you're working and facing your laptop screen all day, it would be better to invest in a device that helps you not only with your productivity, but can also help with your overall well-being. ASUS also equipped the ZenBook 13 OLED with an eye care feature that lowers the display's blue light emission by up to 30%, which means I can use my laptop for a long time without having to worry about eye strain or disrupting my sleep hygiene. Tip number 4, do things you enjoy. Since we're always bombarded with work, it is important to set a time when you can do something that you enjoy. You can dedicate a day or maybe after your work to do it. You have to identify those things for yourself and remember, you don't have to be 100% good at it. For me, that's editing photos and short videos. I enjoy learning new editing techniques that I can apply to my personal projects. Thankfully, my ZenBook 13 OLED is equipped for all of these projects. Aside from the powerful Intel 11th Gen processor, it is also complemented by the Intel Iris Xe graphics that makes editing easier and faster. What makes it more fun is how my OLED monitor gives my work a professional touch to it because of its best-in-class colors feature. Imagine seeing detailed and realistic visuals. Tip number 5, try something new. Working from home can get boring at times, so don't stop trying something new. Whatever it is, even if it's something you wouldn't normally do, just make sure you can do it at home. When the quarantine started, I exhausted all of the rom-com movies out there by watching the same movies over and over again. So I decided to try a different genre, which I wouldn't normally watch. Action and all those fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping movies, and I actually really liked it. I'm just thankful that my laptop can be used for both work and leisure. It has the blur-free animation feature, meaning graphics are smoother in fast-paced action in the movies that I watched, like Baby Driver, John Wick, Mad Max, Fury Road, and a lot more. Tip number 6. Spend time with loved ones. I know that the pandemic has changed the way we interact with people, especially those who don't live with us. But thanks to technology, it's still possible to communicate and spend time with our loved ones and office buddies. So make sure to do so. What my friends and I do is schedule a day during the weekend to catch up or have a movie party online. I'm a very extra person, so I make sure we have a theater move at home with dim lights, popcorn, and we all try to achieve that I'm in a cinema vibe. And I only spend how much? Around 50 to 100 pesos for the snacks, and I still get vivid colors, realistic, and cinematic visuals. All thanks to my ASUS ZenBook 13 OLED screen's clearer image at low brightness feature. Plus, I get extreme contrast visuals, especially when I'm playing my favorite movie with dark and moody scenes. I get true black images, no grays compared to normal LCD laptops. Plus, I have no problem when I want to watch a movie with my family and loved ones at home since I can connect my laptop to a bigger TV or monitors because it has a full I/O ports, which includes HDMI and Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. And tip number 7, be kind to yourself. Guys, we are still in a pandemic, so expect that there are going to be days when you don't feel it. You know what I mean? But you must always remember to be kind to yourself. What we want to achieve here is a balance between being productive and avoiding getting burnt out. There you have it, 7 tips on how to make your work from home routine more exciting. I hope these tips help you to focus, be more productive, and keep that work and play balance. If you have other tips, please let us know and share them with us in the comments section. We would love to learn from you guys as well. Always remember to be kind to yourself. These are trying times, but hang in there. Again, this is Bea. See you all next time.